Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Coming up in today's video, we have this deep skin plug, which is one of my patients, and we've also got a patient with quite severe tinnitus in the second one, which is an interesting video, and it's one of Taylor's. I haven't seen it yet, so we'll have a little look at that as well. But we can see with this first particular ear canal here, this is my ear canal. Patient's oiled it really, really well, and we've got this very deep plug, which is actually wax, which is what I've just removed there, and a little bit of skin as well, which is going to come out next. There we are. We can see all that dead skin lifting up from the sides as we get a grip on this bottom portion of the plug here. There we go. Let's grab that. You can actually see that skin layer underneath that bit of wax. And we'll take a look beyond that. Eardrum looking lovely and healthy there. A little bit of a peel to do on the top here. And there we are. Oh my goodness, that was a bit more than just a little bit of a peel. That one, it actually peeled out a lot more than I thought it was going to do that. I thought it was just going to be a little section coming away from the top. And there we go. But everything looking lovely and healthy. It's only a little dutty one today. Dutty is a Welsh term for small. Just, you know, if I ever come across it. It seems cwtch is a Welsh term for hug. So we've got 1.5 centimeters, 5/8 of an inch there. So this is actually Taylor's patient. Now, I haven't seen this one before. The reason there is a lack of Taylor Green is because he's actually ill at the moment. He's full up with a cold, so he's bless him. We wish him a speedy recovery. So you've got me for about the next week, guys. I would imagine, because we're doing all the voiceovers today for this week, so it's just me. So you got me for a week. I know. Don't be too disappointed. He will return. The eye candy of Audiology Associates will return, and then we're gonna just. He's basically. Let me give you a bit of backstory to this patient. This patient has quite severe tinnitus now. There was a video that Taylor put up probably a couple of months ago where he was actually taking wax off an eardrum with a Jobson horn, which was just epic. If you haven't seen that one, I will try and remember to put a link up here for you if you're watching this on YouTube. But that's the reason he was doing that, is because a patient had quite severe tinnitus. Now, if somebody has quite severe tinnitus, what we'll do is we will try and use curettage to remove that wax rather than using suction or irrigation. And the reason for that is when somebody has very, very bad tinnitus, because suction can be quite noisy at times, we don't want to run any risk of exacerbating that tinnitus at all. So we will use the quietest method of getting the wax out, and that is by far curettage. So we'll get that out using manual tools, and that's what Taylor's doing here. So we've got quite a dry wax here. It's quite a hairy little ear canal, this one, so it's not the best of views, but he's doing well. He's got most of this. And I think because of the difficulties we had last time, it was quite a difficult removal to get that wax off the drum. Use it curettage. Taylor asked the patient to come back a bit more regularly so he could just keep an eye on it and just make sure that this comes away, and it's easier for us to get away. And we will do that sometimes. If we've had a particularly difficult wax removal, we do ask patients, say, look, it's easier for you. It's certainly easier on our arms if we come back just a little bit more regularly. A lot of patients will, in fairness, they will come back. You do get some that just still don't come back very often and still don't use oil. And it's always a difficult removal. But this one, in fairness, he's doing a grand job here with the curettage. Taylor is really, really good with curettage tools. I've got to be honest. He is. He's fab. I call him the king of curettage because he can just get stuff out of ear canals with a curettage tool that I think. I know I'm biased because he's our lovely Mr. Taylor Green, but I think he challenged most people. I think on the social media platforms you see with wax removal in curettage, I think he's very, very good at what he does. I can say that because he's not here and his head doesn't get too big. But he's doing a fab job here. Fair play to him. It's not an easy canal to work in, and the wax is a little bit on the dry side. So he's just going to, I keep saying I, it's not me doing it. I'm supposed to say I because I'm supposed to be voicing over my own. So he's coming over the top, just dropping behind, drawing this down. There we go, coming away really nicely. Guys, I'm sorry, I got a really dry throat. I'm just going to grab my tea. Hang on a minute. There we go, it's over there. So it's coming away well. Just this last little bit. Now, this would probably be the most difficult part to do because you don't want to press down onto the canal wall. You just want to scoop it away without touching that canal wall if possible. Just a little tea. Sorry, good. Normally we share the voiceover, so I got two of us talking, so my voice is going a bit dry. I don't want Taylor's lurgy. He kept that to himself. I don't want it. So you can see this is coming away really, really well. Last little bit to come away now. And here we are. Just tidying up in here. Guys, the reason I'm voicing over these, I'm actually away on holiday when you're watching this. I'm in Egypt for about 10 days. It's in a lovely sunshine on a lilo. So don't imagine me on a lilo, but imagine me enjoying myself and relaxing as a holiday. Because it's the first holiday we've had, the first proper holiday we had this year. So yes, I'll be having a lovely time. So I'll probably be posting some pictures and stuff into the members area so you guys can see us at our halls as well if you want to have a little look at that. So check that out. We might even do a little video while we're away. You never know. You'll never know. But we're coming to the end of this removal now. Just a couple of little edges there. There we go, almost. Oh, that was nice. You could see that sort of layer peeling back down the drum there. Down the canal even. Oh my goodness me. And we just got this section just to the top left. Ear canal now looking a lot clearer. There's a little bit of dry skin and dry wax here, just at this top left corner. See if we can get behind that. Not easy to see because it's tucked right around the edge there, so it's not an easy one to look to see around that corner and get the tool in there as well. There we go. Oops, nearly. I don't want to pick it up. There you go. Out that goes. Eardrum looking absolutely fab. Yeah, really, really good there. So this is the other ear canal, and it looks very similar here as well. We've got this kind of thicker, denser skin and wax on the outside part of the canal. Let's see if we can get this out with the Jobson horn. Here we are, let's try and get this edge. Oh, just chipping away on the outside edge. Like I said, with suction, we probably would have had this out very, very quickly, but because of the patient comfort and because of the tinnitus, we don't really want to do that. There we go, out that comes. And then we've got some dry skin beyond that, so we're just going to get behind that bit, pull that bit out as well. Oh, that is a thick layer of dry skin, so we've got to go a little bit further back. He's trying to find the beginning of it here. There we go, there we go. Nice and soft as well, thank goodness. If that had been really solid, that would have been really hard to get out. You probably would have had to try and lift with the edge of the Jobson horn and get the forceps in there just to remove that bit. But there we go, out that comes. And another section here. Still quite dry. It's almost there, guys, we're almost done. There we are, let's get those edge pieces away. Another edge piece, another edge piece. There we go. Don't forget, guys, if you do enjoy the videos, you can always like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe for me. If you thoroughly enjoy the videos, you could also consider becoming a member for extra waxy goodness every single week, as well as extra lives for the members community as well. There's a link in the link tree below to click on to sort that out. And you can also book an appointment with myself and lovely Mr. Taylor Green. But this is what he removed. You can see we've got 5 centimeters, 2 inches, so quite a lot of wax debris, considering this gentleman only came through, I think it was about 6 months ago. So quite a lot of wax debris there as well. Well, guys, thanks for watching the video again today and for bearing with me on my own as well. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves, take care of your ears, and take care of one another. And I'll see you again real soon. Bye, everybody.